Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Japan series. We are now in our final days and we decided to spend our last days in Hakone and Tokyo. So we decided to get a hotel with an onsen in the room. We booked our stay at Hotel Okada, so we were excited to go to this onsen. And so we took the bullet train from Kyoto to Midoricho Station. Keep in mind the distance from the station to the hotel is about a 43-minute bus ride or a 20-minute cab ride. I thought we were going to be able to walk this, but it's a 2-hour walk, so definitely not going to happen with our luggages.
What's going on here?
Okay, so we just made it to Hakone. We made it to our hotel room. And we just entered. We're now in the, what is this called?
The little lobby area.
Lobby?
Whatever. No, it's not a lobby.
Mud room?
Shoe room. Mud room. Yeah, mud room.
And there's 2 doors. We have no idea.
What's behind?
What's behind what?
It's about to be revealed.
But we already
this
have
is obviously the bathroom.
The bathroom area. Have a little seat to do my makeup. And then I was already impressed with this. We get little towels. How cute! Do you want the pink one or the bunny one?
Obviously the pink one's yours.
You get the bunny one because you're Peter Rabbit.
Yeah, that makes sense.
What's behind door number 1?
Okay, so we got a powder room, basically a powder room.
So we get 2 bathrooms then. We can take our poops at the same time. We can have a designated poop room.
The roof is decorated.
Wow.
Got this,
very nice.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Big reveal.
I'm excited. Go for it.
Whoa.
Wow. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. This is cool.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that's actually really nice.
Yeah.
We got little treats.
Let's open this bad boy up. Is this open?
We can like sleep and watch each other bathe.
I don't know if I'm just supposed to like really pull.
You're gonna break it.
One eternity later.
Yeah. Oh, because it's locked.
Wow.
Okay, there we go.
Wow.
It's got a nice panels to the outside.
Yeah.
We can open those. That's amazing. We can see the forest.
Oh my gosh. We don't need to go for a walk. Let's just go in there. Here is the view.
Fantastic. Holy crap.
We have a nice big flat screen. The floors are like the Japanese style. Oh, we have little pillows to sit on. What's in here? Oh, extra comforters. That's nice.
That's really cool.
Oh, we have a little. Is that
I'm
a rope?
I'm gonna sleep like maybe 4 hours tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna be in the onsen all night. Oh, towels.
Yeah, they have like spare everything.
Yeah. Oh, pajamas. Yes. And socks. More socks.
More of those socks. Yeah, we
More
get 2 pairs of
socks.
socks while we're here. I'm just gonna get to keep those.
Yeah.
What was in the top of it?
Oh, pants. What? Why is there so many clothes? I guess we wash our hair here.
The seat. Yeah,
I guess this is our bathroom.
That's the shower, yeah. And then that is the toilet.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah. Oh, good. We have an in-room coffee machine. We have his and her cups. So let's go through the top. 2 toothbrushes. Looks like, again, his and hers. Shaving cream. Babe, you can shave. We have 2 razors. Shower cap. Skincare set. Ooh. Wow. There's skincare sets. Cleansing gel. Facial cleanser. Oh, that smells good. Lotion. Milk. And then we have soap. And, ooh, face mask. Double moisture face mask. Oh, it looks like a place to put your jewelry. 2 hairbrushes and a hair clip. Then here we have a cleansing oil to remove makeup, a milky face wash, and gel lotion. We're gonna go on a quick walk around Hakone and just go explore. See what... I tripped. See what the town is all about. Say that again.
I was saying your beauty is as grand as Mount Fuji.
Wow.
Got the Riz.
Am I supposed to leave this?
No, we keep it with us. Hakone is known as an onsen town. You have all the mountains surrounding it. While we were exploring the outside, we realized that there wasn't a lot to do just outside of the hotel. We're staying at Chigusa. We're getting ready to go for dinner, and it's a buffet, so that's exciting. So I'm just gonna be wearing this dress, and then after my dinner, I have my massage. And then when I come back from the massage, we're gonna go back into the onsen. Multi-pass. Yes, please. Wow, thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, it's, you can do your own hot pot. That's so nice. But I don't think I want hot pot. I think I'm just gonna stick with.
For it.
Yeah, the burner's right there.
That's amazing.
That's important. I'm okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of food we skipped back there. So.
Yeah. God. There's something in there too.
Yeah, that's what I said. This is food. Oh.
Wow. Everybody is dressed in like robes. We're like dressed all nice.
This was lightly cooked, I think, right?
The meat is chewy. Curry is so good. And then we have this thing. I don't know what that is. Round two. This thing.
Seafood, yeah.
Oh no. Apparently it's not good.
I mean, I'm not a fan of that flavor.
It's weird. Like beans mashed up. You want to try this? This is gooey too.
Oh, wow.
For dessert, we have ice cream. Ooh, strawberry. Vanilla.
What are those things
Chocolate.
at the back?
I don't know. You should grab one.
Yeah.
It looks small.
Okay.
I can make the plate of desserts. Wow. Got macarons. Macaron. Dinner was mediocre. I think the only good thing was the sushi, the fried chicken, and the macaron. That's pretty much it. And now I am gonna go get ready for my massage. Do it. Wow. Oh, wow.
I'm still practicing.
Uh-huh. When we arrived to the dinner hall, we realized that we were very overdressed. Everybody was just dressed in their lounge kimonos that was provided by the hotel. So for breakfast, we learned from that experience and we decided to go dress down. It's breakfast. I want a waffle. Ooh, chocolate croissant. Regular
I'm gonna have
croissant?
some waffle
Yeah, me too.
and just decorate them with some stuff.
We got our breakfast. I got one cabbage roll, waffle, some potato fries, the fermented bean, which I'm really wanting to try, and some porridge, and fruit, coffee. This reminds me of Elf. I'm just putting sugar on everything.
Jam.
Jam.
There's no syrup.
Yeah, there's no syrup. No soy sauce. Let's try this.
She really wanted to try these
I've
fermented.
been wanting to try this.
You're gonna regret that after one bite. That looks gross.
You want to smell it?
Babe,
How do you describe that?
there's no way you're gonna take more than one bite of that.
It smells
It smells gross.
moldy. It smells
It
moldy.
smells gross.
We have mustard, which I'm not gonna add. I'll add this.
Look at this pretty little face. Has no idea what's coming. Babe, stop. Oh man.
Ready? Not bad.
Yeah, right. Are you serious?
It smells bad, but once you get it in your mouth, it's not that bad. Like soy sauce.
Interesting.
Like, I don't know, dark soy sauce.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Are you sure? That's sick.
I'm just gonna shovel it in my mouth now. We made reservations at TeamLabs Planet, and it was honestly such an amazing experience. I have never experienced a museum like that before, so I highly recommend it. There's no like what I can touch. Like what's here? Oh. Wow. Wow.
This is photo space. Thank you.
Thank you.
どうぞこちら鑑賞用に。
If you do decide to check out TeamLabs, don't wear a skirt because a lot of the rooms, the floors are mirrors. I had to learn that the hard way. Ugly skirt?
True, true.
You getting wet? Oh my gosh. Oh, it gets high. Okay. Alright. What is this, milk?
Sure looks like it. It's milky looking water.
Very tight. It's getting wet. It's wet.
Alright, what's next? I have no idea.
Let's go to the next one. Who needs an onsen when you can go here? Not gonna lie, it smells like feet in here.